Switching to Visible and keeping your number is easy with their port-in process. This involves a checklist and a transfer PIN. First, ensure your current account is active and in good standing with no outstanding balances. Gather your current carrier's name, your account number, billing zip code, and crucially, your transfer PIN. Get this PIN from your current carrier. It's a one-time code that proves you're authorized to move your number. Then, on Visible's site or app, enter all these details, including the PIN. Visible will verify everything and start the transfer. Once approved, activate your Visible SIM and you're all set. Remember, double-check all info to avoid delays. As of 2025, Visible uses AI-powered chatbots to help with port requests. A common issue is an incorrect transfer PIN, so make sure it's accurate. Also, high demand can sometimes cause delays, especially during peak times. Visible is working to streamline the process, and as of 2025, eSIM technology is making ports even simpler by ditching the physical SIM card. The future of number porting involves faster, more automated systems. Visible is also combating porting scams with advanced fraud detection, so keep your PINs safe. Remember to have your Visible SIM ready. By following the checklist, you can expect the entire process to take 1 to 3 business days.